Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're in Iceland. Oh yeah. Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're in Iceland. Hey, it's Mike, and today we're in Iceland. Hey, it's Mike here, and today I'm in Iceland. Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're in Iceland. Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're in Iceland. Filling up water in the Barcelona airport. And in the Iceland airport. That's how it should be.
I do think Iceland has like the best water in the world. But jokes aside, Barcelona, where we had just come from, was super duper nice, and we had a ton of food there, so I might do a little food vlog there eventually if you guys want it. So our first day was in Reykjavik, which is the biggest city in Iceland. We kind of walked around, had some fun, saw the sights, did some shopping.
Here we are in Iceland. Sexy. And here we are in a grocery store in Iceland, and we're gonna try and get some vegan snacks. I think we found some vegan meats, but we can't read it. Vegansk. Just found little Oatly chocolate milks in all of the vegan milk sections. So cute. Lindy found some vegan Nutella, the almond spread, basically.
And white coconut.
And coconut. Ooh. And Tony Hawk moved to Iceland, started a oat bar brand, and it's got a lot of vegan ones with a vegan label. Look at that. Apparently in Iceland, they like double fold over the blankets, and we're trying to figure out why. Is it good? Is it better? I don't know, you have to undo it anyway. But our room's pretty nice.
And we had a nice fancy vegan dinner, and I will do a whole food segment of the video to show you guys, some of what we ate, but that'll be in a bit. Then we started our tour across the countryside, which involved obviously incredible views, hot springs, bubbling pools, swimming in lagoons, geothermal greenhouses like this one that served tomato soup, and vegan tomato sorbet, which was super good.
They got oat milk and cow milk, and it appears that they're being drinking at the same rate. Drunk.
We saw some geysers as well, and hot pools.
Yeah, let's make some rice.
And I do want to say we stopped at this little gnome house / cave, which was really cool because I was able to recreate my original photoshopped Iceland picture, sort of here, which was super satisfying. Our tour guide, Jonas, was awesome and saved the day several times. Super magnificent to have because he gave us all of the local lore and all of the legends and just knew every little spot. It's a must to have a local like him tell you everything and get excited about rocks. And we also saw a bunch of awesome waterfalls, which I will just put into one section of the video. I'm not gonna do like geographically correct sequence here, but we went to a massive waterfall that was like a rainbow generator.
Stream rainbow action. Yeah, this is crazy. Lucky charms.
It was so massive and powerful that it had its like own updraft, which was just sweet. I mean, Iceland is ridiculous. We also went to some chill waterfalls like this one.
We are at Glögafoss. This waterfall is glugging fast.
And other ones where people learned how to skip rocks for the first time. Heck yeah. No, we went under waterfalls and even behind waterfalls, and a waterfall that was inside of a cave, which you sort of creek stomp to get to, which was sick. Check it out. Oh yeah.
Pretty sweet. Another awesome waterfall, another awesome day.
Now let's get to the food. The food was really good and obviously vegan. It was the first time this trip had ever been done vegan, so I was really happy. You know, there were times where I was like, oh my God, is this gonna work out? And then I was like, blam, super delicious food. And a lot of these are low light situations where I was lazy and used my phone, so it does not do the food justice. And yeah, a lot of hotels supplied us with vegan meals. We also ate at some restaurants like this noodle place, which even had different vegan mock meats. Even the connected gas station had this vegan carrot cake, which was delicioso. And definitely sitting down to eat with everyone was one of the highlights for sure.
Pass the hot sauce.
Joey, hey, hot sauce. Still in the hot sauce?
Hot sauce.
Pretty much the whole thing was along the seaside, and we got to see puffins, my favorite bird that I mainly knew from the cereal. What goes into a hole? And we went to a few basalt formations, which are really cool because they look man-made, but they're actually dried lava columns. And one was on the beach, which made for a pretty fun little climbing playground. Now let's get to the glaciers. The glaciers are incredible and awesome, but kind of bittersweet. First, I will say, we were where they filmed Game of Thrones North of the Wall, which I recognized, which was awesome driving by that. We also went to some glacier sort of outflow river places, saw some 10,000-year-old ice, some seals.
Right here we got our ice. Right here we got our land. We got everything that we came for. Okay, ready to go? You gonna throw it?
Did a spectacular amphibious boat tour and saw a bunch of cool blue ice and chocolate chunky ice.
Chocolate chunk ice cream.
We would stop the boat at some point.
And then we went and climbed a glacier.
And we're about to go on a glacier. I got my super beastly crampons that we're gonna strap in and my ice axe ready to go.
And this is where it's sad because you can actually see how much it receded in just about a month here, which is super depressing, obviously climate change driven. That's where all the streams and water and waterfalls come from, so yeah, not cool.
About the walking techniques, flat feet, keep some distance between your feet also, yeah? Don't walk like special water.
At the beginning there was an ice cave, but it isn't the season for that. It can be dangerous at this time of year, so we just climbed around it and up, which was definitely a bit of a hike, but it was really satisfying and crunchy. And then I got this epic shot. But the glacier was definitely an epic adventure between the equipment and just what we climbed, like a little mountain, and then crossing things like this cool rope bridge.
And growing out of complete desolate ash. Beautiful vegetation.
But the volcano was incredible. Iceland is on the mid-Atlantic ridge and it's the only place where it actually makes its way up onto land. And so it's a unique situation, and extra unique. A week before we went, this active volcano opened up, and then a week after we left, it closed. So the gods were nice to us. We are lucky. But we were luckily able to change the itinerary on our last day, which involved almost 2-hour hike one way, which was kind of rough at certain points. That hike got me huffing like a puffin. Oh, but the volcano was absolutely worth it. And the part that stuck out to me was not just how the lava glowed and stuff, but how it sounded. It sounded like somebody was throwing boulders into a river, like a massive rock, but my camera mic didn't really pick that up, sadly, and there were helicopters blocking it out, and Dennis got some sick drone footage. Thankfully, didn't melt his drone like some other people did, so thanks, Dennis, for all the epic drone footage in the video. And then we went out on the last night, out on Reykjavik, playing darts, racing through the streets, and just having a good time.
We found the pussy wagon. The wagon.
Some people did karaoke, which I promised not to show all of, but here is some of that night. So yeah, as you can tell, Iceland was pretty freaking epic. Sure, and yes, it was organized by TrovaTrip, as many of you know, so major thanks to them. I was able to hang out and not stress too hard, and I'm obviously doing more trips in the future with them, and I might do some other trips that don't exist with them that are more vegan oriented, that I organize on my own, so keep an eye out for all of that good stuff. And I just have to say one more time that everybody on the trip was incredible. Just unique, amazing human beings who I will never forget. And so thank you all so much for coming. And if anybody wants to see a UK/Paris/Barcelona mini vlog, which is, mostly just eating food in Barcelona, let me know. Ton of amazing food. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, even just a fraction as much as we enjoyed Iceland. And, feel free to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And thank you for watching.